burst some myths. The biggest one is we only use 10% of the brain.
That's probably just a number to say that we are not working hard enough. But as I said, a large part of the brain is still, the function is not known. What these circuits are there, whether they have kind of died down with evolution or whether we are working on them without knowing what they are. Maybe with time, with the advance in technology, with the advance in research, we will have a better idea of how we can connect these dots.
Next one is left brain people are logical, right brain people are creative.
I was born left-handed. In kindergarten, teachers forced me to write with the right hand. It's really bad because the mind gets confused because you're programmed to use one part of the brain more dominantly, but you are forced to use the other side, which is not very. Suppose if I was left-handed, right now I write with my right hand, but I was born to be left-handed. In 60% of the individuals, the right brain would be more dominant. But I've been forced to use my left brain to kind of write. So the brain can get confused. So as the person grows, he can have something called stammering because speech is a complex process. You have inputs coming from outside. You have to understand and respond to it, make the words, form the words, make it into a sentence, see that the grammar, the text, everything is proper. So to process, it's a huge task. And if the brain gets confused because you're one side dominant, but you've been forced to do it from the other side, there's a high risk of that person having stammering. Persons who are left-handed are supposed to be more creative, more good with math. They're supposed to be better sports people. 45 to 50% of Grand Slam winners are left-handed.
Bigger brain means smarter people.
That's not true.
Brains has
nothing
to do with intelligence. Multitasking makes you more productive.
Absolutely.
It's not a myth.
It's not a myth. I would say multitasking makes you more productive.